Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a most requested and most wanted recipe, KFC style fried chicken. I know there are many recipes and many secret ingredients we know, but I never was able to find this perfect recipe before. While enjoying fried chicken at a restaurant can be really delicious, but what you really miss is the flexibility of creating a dish that caters to your own taste. And the major benefit of frying chicken at home is the freedom to choose the oil, chicken, and seasoning of your liking. I am so excited to share this recipe with you. Watch the video till the end to get the better idea. So without wasting any time, let's get into the recipe now. I have taken about 2 pounds of chicken thighs and legs, but you can use the breast part too. And I have rinsed it really well and then put some cuts on the chicken just like this. Add the chicken into a large bowl and add enough ice water to cover the chicken. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it really well and keep it covered for 1 hour. After 1 hour, drain the water and pat dry the chicken pieces. After pat drying the chicken in a large bowl, add the chicken pieces and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, add according to your spiciness, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. I am adding fresh ginger garlic paste, but you can add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder. I like the fresh ginger and garlic. And then let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is white vinegar. And now let's mix it and coat the chicken very well. Make sure that you have coated all sides of the chicken. And keep it covered in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. I am going to leave this overnight in the refrigerator. Now after marinating and ready to fry, let's mix the liquid batter. I am adding half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon baking powder, not baking soda but baking powder definitely, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And combine everything together and add 1 cup of chilled fresh milk. And whisk it with a whisker without any lumps. Just like this. There should be no lumps, and then keep aside. Now let's mix the flour coating. In a shallow dish, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And let's add half teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, and mix it really well. Remove the chicken from the refrigerator and mix it well. And then let's coat in the flour now. Now let's start coating. Make sure we coat all sides of the chicken and dust the excess flour. And coat the rest of the chicken too, and we are done with the coating. And now let's dip in the liquid batter. And now let's coat it again in the flour. This is the most important step. Press it and make sure the flour stick to the chicken very well. This will take about 1 or 2 minutes. And after coating now, dust the excess flour onto a plate and shake it just like this. Shake it gently as much as you can and remove all the excess flour from the chicken. And it should be a thin coating, so follow the step carefully. This is the step which gives the chicken the crunchiness. Make sure it should be a thin coating. Continue with the rest of the chicken pieces too, and then now it's ready for frying. In a heavy bottom pan, heat oil. The oil should be very hot, up to 360 degrees Celsius, and put in the chicken and deep fry it. Do not overcrowd. Fry in medium heat so that interior cooks well, and be careful so that the outer covering does not brown and lose its color. So make sure to keep the oil on medium heat and fry to 7 to 8 minutes or until done. Now this looks golden color. I'm going to remove from the fire and strain the chicken on a paper napkin. This juicy, tender, homemade KFC fried chicken is ready for serving now. Once done, remove them to a kitchen towel and leave for 30 seconds. Then immediately move to a wire rack so they remain crisp for longer. If the chicken is not cooked through, you may refry them on medium heat. Hope you enjoyed this homemade, easy and delicious and crispy KFC style fried chicken. And please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and leave me a comment. And please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Please check out the rest of my videos where you can find authentic Sri Lankan recipes you can easily make at home. Thanks for watching. See you later.